Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your listing isn't getting views anymore, renewing it can push it back to the top of marketplace results. Facebook allows you to renew eligible listings in just a few taps. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to renew a listing on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what renewing a listing means. Renewing allows you to push your listing back to the top, reach new local buyers, restart visibility cycle, and increase chances of selling. So it doesn't create a new listing, it refreshes the current one. So first thing first, open your Facebook Marketplace, tap the Marketplace icon here on the bottom. On desktop, click Marketplace from the left sidebar. Okay, so now tap your profile icon. Okay, select your listings. Okay, so you should have some listings here. So look for the renew button. Okay, so the button appears only if eligible. Okay, then tap renew listing, confirm it if prompted, and the listing moves back up in search. Visibility refreshes immediately, and if you don't see the button, wait a few days. Okay, so verify visibility. So return to marketplace search, check your listing position. It should appear higher than before, and new buyers might start messaging. Okay, so engagement often increases within hours in this case. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. This is how to renew a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.